why,
when, how.
At the beginning of all curiosity,
Who,
the search for the person,
where,
the scene of the event, why, the cause, the reason, the motive,
when,
the time, the moment, the deadline, how, the way, the method, the secret,
how much,
the number,
6, 7, 8,
the weight, the price, the
value.
These are the magic words. Without them we are silent. With them we can ask anything.
Which,
what kind of,
what time,
how old,
from whom,
with whom,
to
where,
from. Every question is a key.
every question
Opens a door
to an answer. Is there? Does it exist? Is it there?
Do you have?
Do you own it?
Do you know?
Do you know the fact?
Do you know?
Are you familiar with the person?
Do you speak?
Do you master the language?
Do you think?
What is your opinion?
May I?
Asking for permission.
Can you?
Asking for ability.
Could you?
Would you like to? The polite,
Soft, cautious question.
the ladder of politeness, from direct to almost whispering. What kind of,
What time?
how old,
From whom?
with whom,
To where?
where,
From.
every question,
Every question is a key.
every question
Opens a door
to an answer.
Do you know where the station is?
The traveler asks,
I am looking for the supermarket.
the seeker asks,
I need help.
the humble asks,
I have a question.
the student asks,
I have a problem.
the human asks. And sometimes when the conversation stalls, could you repeat that? Could you speak more slowly? What does this word mean?
How do you say apple in Dutch?
Can you explain that?
What do you mean?
The question about the question, the lifeline of the language student. What kind of,
What time?
how old,
From whom?
with whom,
To where?
where? And remember,
Every question is courageous. Every question is a step
towards understanding, keep asking.